Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix the Roblox voice chat not showing up. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, log into your Roblox and ensure that your account is 13 plus. And you verified it with your email and phone number. And then what you will have to do is go to your settings, which is right here on the top right corner, and just wait for your screen to load. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is you will go to the privacy tab or privacy and content restrictions, and you will go ahead and you will click either um this So yeah, you will just have to click this communication tab right here. And once you click communication tab, you will look for voice chat, and then you will make sure that it is enabled. And yeah, that's basically just it. And after that, you will just have to open your Roblox Studio or end the game, and then you will press V or check your game settings so that you will be able to actually enable your microphone or your voice chat on in a certain game. So yeah, that's basically it. And ensure that your microphone is properly connected and allowed in your device system settings. And by the way, if necessary, you can also restart your Roblox. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.